In this video, we are going to learn how to set up dynamic pricing for specific customer groups in WordPress. We will use a WooCommerce powered site for this purpose. For adding the dynamic pricing feature, we will utilize B2BKing, a powerful B2B plugin for WordPress WooCommerce stores. You can get B2BKing from the link in this video's description. Without further ado, let's start. This is an experimental WordPress site. It has WooCommerce and B2BKing already installed. This is B2BKing's official demo site. There are some products added and user groups created for us. Now we can show you how to set up dynamic pricing for specific customer groups. But if you want to learn how to create a B2B site using B2BKing or an e-commerce site with WooCommerce, we have tutorials on these topics. You can find those tutorials in the video description. Now let's continue with the tutorial. Dynamic pricing in B2BKing offers you a lot of options. For example, you can use dynamic pricing to set up discount amount, discount percentage, you can raise price, free shipping, setup pricing. So there are a lot of things you can do using the dynamic rules. But in this video, we are going to learn how you can set up dynamic pricing for a specific group of customers. So let's get started. We have logged into the B2BKing official demo, and this is how the site looks like. So let's take a look at the site. And here is the site. We have some products over here to work with. In order to set up a dynamic price for a specific group of user, what we can do is set up the pricing specifically for each product. For example, let's take this chair. Now we can take a look at the price. It's €379. Now let's see how you can change this pricing specifically for this product. So let's go ahead and go back to the dashboard and let's go ahead and see our user. So our account is called demo. So this is our user group. We are going to edit it, and from the customer group, let's actually select VIP. So we are a VIP user now. This is just for the demonstration purpose of this video. Let's say you want to set a dynamic pricing for all the VIP users of your B2B site. And let's take a look at the products now. So this is the product that we want to edit. We're going to click on edit. And if we scroll down, you can see that regular price has been set from here, which is €379. And you can also set up different price tiers. So if wholesale businesses are buying in bulk, they will have separate discounts. Now, if we scroll down, we can see that there are separate pricing for each user group, such as the small business, large business, reseller, VIP, and factories. Since we are the VIP users, let's go ahead and set a separate pricing for us. So we want to set it up to €350 instead of 379. So after this, what we're going to do is click on update. And now let's go ahead and take a look at our site. Already you can see that the pricing has changed. Now, if we click on this product, you can see that the pricing has changed. Since we are a VIP user now, and we are logged in as a VIP user, this is the price that we are seeing. So if other groups log in, they're going to see the regular €379 price. So that's a quick way of doing this. But if you have multiple products or a lot of products, setting the price for each product will be time taking. In that case, we can utilize the dynamic rules features. So what we can do is go back to our admin dashboard, and let's go ahead and delete the price of this product. So we're going to click on edit, and now let's remove this €350 price and let's update. Great. Now let's hover our mouse over B2BKing over here and let's select dynamic rules. Now we can see in the demo site that they have already created so many dynamic rules for free shipping, maximum order, payment method, minimum maximum order, non-purchasable, hidden price, and much more. And they've also provided very clear explanation or name of these rules. For example, free shipping. By reading this title, we can understand that the user will get free shipping if they purchase items greater than $250 and if they're purchasing over 100 pieces. So it can easily be understood from the title. Anyway, what we want to do is create a new rule. So we want to click on this create new rule button. Now, the first thing that we are going to do is provide a meaningful title, such as those titles that we just saw. Let's call it special price for VIP users. So the first thing that we want to look at is the rule details. So the first drop down is the discount type. If we click on this drop down, we can see there are so many rules. Discount amount, percentage, order rules such as free shipping, minimum order, maximum order. You can go crazy with all these rules. All right, so we want to choose the discount percentage, and the next one is applies to. So you can choose specific products or specific categories. It's up to you. Or you can also choose the cart total. That is also possible. But what we want to do is select a specific product. So let's go ahead and click on it, and you can include all the products over here if you want. So in this case, this discount will be applied to all the products. But let's go ahead and apply this for just one specific category. So the chair is the interior category. That's what we're going to select. So we are going to apply this rule just for the interior category. The next option allows us to select for which users we want to apply this feature to. We can apply it to all registered users, all registered B2B users, all registered B2C users. So these are all the user groups that you have created. There's also the B2B groups, and you can also apply to individual users such as this one. Let's apply this rule for all the VIP users. And from here, you can choose the percentage. So we have selected the percentage. You can also choose the amount if you want. Since we have chosen percentage, we want to give a 20% discount. Here you can write a description name, but this is optional, so we are going to leave it empty. Down here you can see an additional option, which is calculated discounted price becomes the sale price. So if you want the calculated price to become the sale price of that product or all these products under these categories, you can simply add a check mark to this box. But we don't want that for now. The next thing that we can take a look at are the conditions. You can apply conditions such as cart value, cart total value. If those are greater than, equals to, or less than, after a specific value, you can add those conditions as well. But for our simple dynamic rule, we don't want any conditions, right? So we simply want to publish this rule. And once it's published, if we click on dynamic rules now, you can see that our rule has been added over here. We can see the 20% discount, and this will apply to VIP users, and this is enabled. Now let's go ahead and see if this is working. So we are going to go to our site. And over here, we already can see that the pricing hasn't changed. It's the same retail price. So did our dynamic rule not apply? So let's go ahead and see if that's the case. We're going to choose this product or click on this product, and we can see the price is still unchanged. Now, if we add it to the basket, so we're buying one unit only. Oh, and these were probably pre-selected. We're going to remove these. All right, so here we also see the price is unchanged. Now, if we view the basket, something has changed over here. So in the subtotal, here we can see that it's 379 euro. A shipping flat rate has been added, 5 euro. So the pricing should be raised to 384 euro. But here we can see there's an interior discount. So the 20% discount that we created a dynamic rule for VIP user, it's being calculated over here, the interior discount. So now the total value is 308 euro and 20 cents. Using this method, you can actually apply dynamic rules for specific user groups using B2BKing. Now, this will save you a lot of time. You don't have to go to individual products and set pricing manually, but you can use the dynamic rules to quickly set up pricing for each customer group. And another thing to add is that B2BKing is actually a premium plugin. So in order to use it, you have to purchase it. So let's take a look at the pricing page. It will be more helpful for you. Now, in the pricing page, we can see that B2BKing has two types of plan, the annual and lifetime. For annual plans, there are 3 tiers, the startup, pro, and developer. The startup tier normally costs $199.50, but with the 25% discount, it's available for $149 per year. This gives you access to 139 plus features and functionalities, monthly updates, and premium support. The pro tier is labeled as the best value. Normally, it's available for $299.50, but with the 35% off, it's available for $199. Now, this also gives you 3 site licenses. The startup tier gave you only 1 website license, but this tier gives you 3 website licenses. And with addition to all these features in the startup tier, you also get the company credit add-on, Dokan add-on, WCFM add-on as well. The final tier is the developer tier, which is normally available for $399.50, but with a 25% discount, it's available for $299. This gives you unlimited site licenses, and this also gives you the back-end white label. You can also get the lifetime plans, which are just one-time payment. For features and website license, everything remains the same, but you only have to make a one-time payment and you can keep on using the plugin. So these were the pricing of B2BKing. If you want to get B2BKing, you can check our video description for a link. And that brings us to the end of today's video. We hope it was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos such as this one. So thank you for watching. See you next time.